Hi, my name is Tanya, and in this video I will show you how to use Midjourney. I will teach you how to possibly fix flaws in your images. We will then upscale each image before using them in a coloring book. First, start with Midjourney. So let's just go ahead and type in Midjourney. Now, to use Midjourney, you're going to have a Discord. So we're going to sign in with Discord. So once you're in Midjourney, so you're going to need a Discord account, and Discord is free. So what you would need to do is just go in, open up another one, and Discord login. Let's see. I already have an account, so I don't know if it's going to let me show you. But anyways, you would come and you would just download the Discord in here, get started right here, Discord. So you would have to do that on your own. And then from there, you would want to open up your Midjourney. And then once you're in Midjourney, to connect, see, these are all the images I downloaded yesterday, and it'll just keep them right here. So far, this is how many jobs I've had, 5,615 jobs. And then what you want to do is come down to your other profile image right here, click on the three dots, and then go to Discord right here. Okay. So up here, see, it says Discord up here. So it took me from Midjourney into the Discord. Okay, once you're in Discord, you're going to see all this stuff on the left-hand side. You're going to see your profile image, and then you're going to see this little ship right here. Click on that ship, and then you'll see these right here if you didn't see them before. Okay, now once you get right here where you're into Midjourney, that's this ship right here, you're going to click on newbie 27 or newbie 57 or newbies 87. It doesn't matter which one you click on, just go into one of them. So I'm going to click on 27. Give it a few seconds. Okay, now you're going to see that red line went away, and you're going to be in the message bar right here. So just click on that, and then you're just going to click a backslash, and the backslash has the question mark above it if you don't know what a backslash is. And so it'll match this backslash up here. So once you push the backslash, you're going to see this pop up, and you're going to push image. Now, if it doesn't pop up, you're going to do backslash image. You just type it image. But see, mine will come up. So now it's right here lower. So I'm going to click on that. Now, if you want to change your settings, I'm going to show you that real quick. You're just going to do backslash settings. Click on settings right here, and I'm going to show you what that does real quick. There it is right here. So here's your settings. Sometimes you have to scroll up or down to find it. So the reason why I know this is my settings is, one, it has my name right here, and then you'll see a bunch of these little green windows. So this is what I have mine on. I have mine on stylized medium. You can go higher. I'm gonna change mine to higher because yesterday I wasn't really getting any good images. So I'm gonna switch that today. Public mode, remix mode, low variation. You can do. I'm gonna do a higher variation today. You can come in here and change these often. Settings done to where you want. Now we go back here again to the little menu bar down here, and we're just going to do another backslash image prompt right here. So just click on it, and in the window, already have kind of an idea of a coloring book that I'm gonna work on. So we're gonna put, I want to get a vintage car, so I'm gonna put a 1920s Okay, so I'm going to put a 1920s vintage style car, kids illustration. This is going to be for a coloring book, cartoon style, low details. This is just what I put in on mine. It works for me. So you can look at other people's images and copy what they're doing. But this is kind of what works for me. So 1920s vintage style car, kids illustration, cartoon style, low details, black and white background, thick black lines. Now, because I know I'm going to make some more cartoon images, what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this main part of the prompt. Tricky. Okay, once you highlight all that, then you just want to copy it. And then the next time that I come to prompt it, I'll just paste that in there. But this is it. So we're going to go ahead and push enter on that. But you're always going to want to scroll down because that's where your work is going to be at. So mine's already working. This is mine right here. And the way you know it's yours is, one, you have your face right there, your name, and then it also shows what you prompt. So and it'll have your name right here again. And then it shows you how far the job is going. We're at 46% right now. So sometimes when this gets completely done, it's going to scroll all the way down, and you'll just have to go and find it. We're done. We're completely done. The way we know we're completely done is you'll get these boxes down here. So you have upscale 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can do a variation of 1, variation of 2, and so forth. Variation 3, 4, and then you can remix all of them by pushing this one right here. So I like all of them, but if you want to take a really close look at it, just click on the image and it'll give you this preview, and then you can open it in a bigger, open it in a brand new browser, and it'll become a bigger image. And then this is where I really look, does it make sense? Or does it have all the wheels in the right place? You want to look at all that stuff. And all these images look really good. So I'm going to keep them all. So you want to go back up here to where your Midjourney is. See that 17? I just look for the red, anything with a number. It's not going to stay at 17. I'm not really sure what that number means, but so I'm going to take all of these. So I'm going to upscale all of them. So I'm just going to come down here, push them all. Now I'm going to also remix this, all 4 of those. So what I'm going to do is, this is my original prompt, right? So I have the ratio at 85 by 110 and a girl in here. So I'm going to put 1920s flapper girl, and we'll see what it changes it to, and we'll push submit. See, okay, we got one right here. We're going to open it in a browser. You have to open it in a browser to save it. Otherwise, if you save it without being in a browser, you're going to save all the images that are on Midjourney at that moment. Come right up here, there's an arrow where it says share this page. You're going to click on that. So we're going to go save page as. Now at this point you can change the name right here. I don't. I just leave it to what it says. It's going to my desktop. I like that. I can find it easily when I get done. So I'm going to save it right here. I'm going to go back into to Midjourney, to the Discord. Click out of that. We're going to go get the next one. We're going to save this one. Go back to the share this page. Click it. Save page as. We're just going to save it with the same name that Midjourney gave it. Go back into the Discord. Going to open it. And then we're just going to look and see which ones we want. And for what I'm doing, I'm going to pick these two right here. See, their hands look good. So you want to count their fingers. Their shoes look good. You always want, we're going to do, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to do 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Well, her eye looks a little weird right here. It looks like she has a black eye. So let's just go ahead and change her face because her face looks kind of weird to me. So what we're going to do is you'll see very strong, very subtle, and very region. And then you have zoom out and custom zoom and all these, right? That's if you want to push, if you want to zoom out, you can push her back. You could push zoom out 2 times or 1.5. But what I want to do is I want to change her face. So we're going to go into very region. So you're going to click on that, very region. And you have 2 things. You can pick a square or a lasso. Midjourney prefers if you pick a big section. I just want to fix her eye, but I need to fix her whole face. So let's try the square. There we go. Okay, see how it pixelated her face? So then you want to, you can add like fixed face or whatever you want. Usually if you just highlight it, it'll just know to fix it. And then you just push this arrow right here. You submit the job. It'll start thinking, and then the screen will go away. It'll go away on its own. You don't have to do anything. Okay, so it closed it. We went to fix her face, remember? So let's see what they did. Yeah, all of these faces look better. Save this one, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do after this. I'm going to upscale these images that we got today. And now we're going to go into dgb.lol. So you're just going to type in dgb.lol, push enter, and then it's right here. It's a free upscaler, and if you read it, it will even tell you that it's offering this for free. Now, what we want to use is we're going to upscale images. So they have remove backgrounds, RGB to CMYK, and vectorizing. Over here, see these 3 lines right here? Click on that and go to tools right here. Click on tools. You're going to get an ad. The reason why it's free is because it has pop-up ads, but it's completely free. You have your AI image upscaler. That's what we're going to be using. Now, when I just do my colored covers, I use the quick upscaler. But for what for the coloring books, we're going to go to the AI image upscaler. Click on it, and you're going to get this little arrow right here, and then you got to minimize your screen right here. Images that I just downloaded, so they're all over my desktop here, which is fine. I'll collect them, put them in a little pile. I got a lot of stuff going on here. So I like to put them in a pile, and when you put them in a pile, it'll tell you how many's in there when you drag it. So this one has 5 in it, and I'm going to show you why I'm doing this. So we're going to go back into here, and we're going to just pull our screen down. There we go. Shoot. Okay, now you can do it now. You can do it one at a time if you want to drop it in, one at a time. Once you drop it in, this window is going to show right here. It's going to say select an upscaler model. So we're going to just click on balanced, and then you're going to get all of these commands right here. A detailed noise, balance, or cartoon drawing. We're going to push cartoon drawing. So click on that, and then you're going to submit. And then it's going to think, and then that little arrow is going to pop back up. Now on my desktop, I keep a photo that says photos not upscaled. These photos are all of my originals, and I keep every single original. So once I upscale it, I take the original and drop it in there and keep it forever. And I do that just in case someone, for copyright reasons. So now all we're going to do now is new task right here. And this time I'm going to show you how to just drop all of them in there. You can drop 20 at a time. If you try to drop more than 20, it's not going to let you. So we already have the one in, so now we're going to drop these 4 in that are left over. So we got 4. And don't worry about all the ads, they're just going to keep popping up on the side there. And then here's our window. We're just going to push balanced again. That it's going to drop down, and we're going to push cartoon drawing and then submit. Now, once this window goes down, I'm going to show you where to track your progress on this. Okay, first, what we're going to do is we're going to take our 4 images that we upscaled, and we're going to put them in our photos not upscaled. 3 lines right here. Let's go ahead and bring these up. Go to our 3 lines right here, and then it'll say Home, Tools, My Files. And then you'll see it'll say 5, and then it has 0, 0, 0. Okay, this is where your work is in progress. So we know we have none completed. If they were completed, it would show up green right here. So we're just going to go right here, click on My Files. Sometimes a bunch of ads pop up, but that's okay. You can click off of them. Click off of them. And so now we have 37 minutes for these to be done. So once these get done, they will show up green right here. And you're going to have to push the green button, and then it'll show right here that it's getting downloaded. And then to find these photos, once they get done, you're going to have to go to your download folder. Because once you download it, it's going to go into your download folder. So where the download folder is on a MacBook is right here. You want to go to this top bar right here and click on the search button right here. Once you click on it, another little window will pop up right here, and you're just going to type in downloads. And then you'll see a whole bunch of stuff that will drop down. Now this is just for a MacBook. I'm not really sure how other computers work. But once you get here, you're going to see 2 folders. I pushed the top one. It has like a little circle in the middle, and you'll push that. And here will be your downloads. So these were from earlier. I upscaled all these, and so these are what I already upscaled, and they're already downloaded. And then what I'll do with these images, I'll go and put them into folders that I'm working on. And that's it on the Midjourney and the download. So my next video, what we're going to do is I'm going to come back in here once these get downloaded, and then I'm going to show you how to put a coloring book together using Canva and then Amazon KDP. So this will be part 1 of a part 2.